Alpha Lau, who helms the government's investment promotion, says the new capital investment entrance scheme has attracted more than 600 inquiries within 1 week after applications opened. In an exclusive interview with TVB News, the newly appointed Director General has also shared her vision and the department's recent efforts to woo more business to Hong Kong. Just 4 months into her new role, Director General of InvestHK Alpha Lau has overseen multiple key projects on the ground for the department. Last year, InvestHK facilitated the setup of 382 overseas companies in Hong Kong, creating 4,100 jobs and bringing $61.6 billion of investment into Hong Kong.
Very low tax environment and a very stable legal system. And we who live here, we may think nothing of it. But in Southeast Asia, for example, they are quite amazed.
Another move is to woo more high net worth individuals from overseas to settle in the city with a new capital investment entrance scheme. Open for application since March the 1st, the scheme allows applicants to stay in Hong Kong after investing a minimum of $30 million in eligible assets. Such assets have been expanded to cover all securities and futures commission-listed stocks, exchange funds, and more.
We have been really flooded with calls and emails and asking about the details of the scheme, given that it's one of the most attractive schemes in the world. So a lot of companies overseas, for example, wish to come into Asia and also into mainland China, and Hong Kong is an ideal springboard for them to do so.
A springboard too for mainland companies trying to expand their business globally, Alpha said. They include a popular mainland food delivery platform. Launched in Hong Kong less than a year ago, its business already served about 1.7 million users in Hong Kong, having more than 10,000 partnering restaurants.
At that time, we were not very familiar with the Hong Kong market. InvestHK helped us with a lot of practical issues, such as work visa, such as setting up business entities. Also introduced us to some partners, some restaurants, some dining associations. They provide tremendous help to us. As we expand into overseas market, Hong Kong fits a very strategic role in that plan. They use English and they like Western cuisines. Our riders from South Asia and Southeast Asia, and they use English. And people here also use credit card versus people in mainland use WeChat Pay and Alipay. So when we build products for Hong Kong, we also building the products for the rest of the world.
Is one of the strategic companies brought in by the Office for Attracting Strategic Enterprises, or OASIS, last year. Most companies focus on AI, life sciences, fintech, and green energy. Alpha Lau also told us a setup of more than 40 enterprises in Hong Kong facilitated by OASIS is expected to bring about $40 billion in investment to the city and create more than 13,000 jobs over the next few years. Most of these jobs will be management or research positions.